Hi there! It's phonics time with Rani. Listen to the letter names. The letter L, letter F, letter B, letter H. Now, what sounds do they make? Listen and repeat after me. B, B. Now, can you sound out the letters? Bravo! You did it! Here's a star for you! Hi there! It's phonics time with Rani. Today, it's time for us to look for words and things that begin with the letter L. Oh, lamp. Oh, lamp. Oh, ladder. Oh, ladder. Oh, lion, lion. Now, what ends with ball, ball. Pill, pill. Doll, doll. Now, what begins with the letter H? House, house. Hammer, hammer. Horse, horse. The letter B, B, B. Bat, bat. B, bird, bird. B, bag, bag. The letter F, fish, fish. Fan, fan. Foot, foot. Now, what ends with puff, puff. Off, off. Cliff, cliff. What ends with s? Kiss, kiss. Glass, glass. Dress, dress. Now it's time for you to look for things and words that begin with B, and things ending in and S.